The Push to Autodesk Docs feature in AutoCAD 2022 will allow you to send PDFs from AutoCAD to BIM 360 or Autodesk Docs projects easier and faster. Under the Collaborate tab, the Push to Autodesk Docs palette can be launched. In the palette, the sheets from this drawing populate, but you can add sheets from other drawings and select only the sheets you want to send. And if this is a collection of sheets you plan to send frequently, you can save the sheet set for future use. Once you have the sheets you want to upload, you can select either a BIM 360 or Autodesk Docs project in the drop-down menu. Simply navigate to the correct project and folder and push OK. On the bottom right-hand corner, a notification will populate if there are any errors on the AutoCAD side with sending your sheets. Depending on how many sheets you are sending, it may take some time to upload. In this case, let's see if the sheets are ready by clicking the link in the palette. This link in the palette will open a browser to the correct BIM 360 or Autodesk Doc folder directly. Here, we can see it is currently being uploaded in the folder in BIM 360. This Push to Autodesk Docs feature is available in AutoCAD 2022 and available in a plugin for a few previous versions and is available today in the Autodesk App Store.